So the next question is question number 6. Dash tag creates a bulleted list. So dash tag create a bulleted list. Bulleted list means unordered list. So the answer become UL. UL is the answer, unordered list. So this is also a 1 mark question. So next question, question number 7. The code for inserting an image in an HTML page is image src equal to, then the name of the image we can put here, then alt is equal to or something. So here this line. So then the question is, the alt attribute is used for dash. So we already studied that what is alt means alternative text. So here the answer is specify the alternative text for the image. So only 1 mark question. So here if you are inserting one image on the web page, if any problem like if the image is not loaded due to any network error or the image is not in that folder, so that time if you want to display one text, alternative text for that image, you can use what alt attribute. So specifying the alternative text for the image. So this is a use of alt attribute. So the next question, question number 9. Sarita is designing a web page and wants to change the name of font type for a certain text. Which attribute of font tag she should use? So question is, which attribute of font tag is used to change the font type? So we already studied that face attribute, face, font face is an attribute to change the font type. So only 1 mark question. So next one, question number 10. What is the use of BR tag? So BR means what? A line break. We already studied BR is an empty tag. It is used to a single line break in an HTML. So this is the answer. BR tag is used to insert a single line break in an HTML document. Only 1 mark question. So the next question, question number 12. Question number 12. What is the importance of v-link attribute of body tag? 1 mark question only. So here we already study there are 3 types of links are there: normal link, then v-link means visited link, a-link means active link. So question is that what is the importance of v-link? So answer is v-link attribute specify the color of visited link in a document. So we can specify the color of visited link by using v-link attribute. Only 1 mark question. So next one, question number 13. What is the method using command line in HTML code? So command is nothing but, for example, if you want to increase the readability of a document, you can add the command to an HTML document. So command is not the command is not run during while we are running that web page. So command is simply we can give the command by using like this. This is the way for command. Look at that here, that highlighted part here. First one bracket open, angle bracket open, then one exclamatory symbol, then two hash, then you can put any text here. So here in the place of any text you can put your comment, then after 2 dashes, then again close that angle bracket. So this is the way for adding comment. Only 1 mark question. So these all are the A part section 1 question. So CBSE a new question paper is, this is section 1 question. In section 1 containing 13 questions. So each containing 1 mark. So you can you need to attempt only 10 questions. So then we can move to the next part. So look at the question number 18. What is the use of sub and sup tag? Explain with a suitable example. So we already studied that sub means subscript, super means superscript, sup means superscript. So like that the answer is like first you need to write what you mean by sub. So it defines subscripted text. Sup means it defines superscripted text. So then you can write one example also. So here 2 mark question. So here like that, half mark each for explain the use of sub and super. So here you need to explain this both two, you get 1 mark. Then write in the example, you get next 1 mark. So total 2 mark question. So here to write a square, so first you need to write a, then sup, then a 2. So this is superscript. So the here CO2, then first we have put CO, then subscript as 2. This is use of subscript and a superscript tag. Then next one, Sunil wants to insert, question number 19, Sunil wants to insert an image elearning.jpg into a web page. Write the name and syntax of HTML tag she should use. The alternative text for the image should be e-learning image. So from the question it is clear that you need to insert one image. So question is that write the name and syntax of HTML tag she should use. So the name of the tag become image tag, so img. So the answer is like the name of the tag image tag. So you know that img tag is used for inserting the image. Then write the syntax means you can write the exact code, image src equal to, then name of that image elearning.jpg. Then the question it is clearly that the alternative text for the image should be e-learning image. So then you can use the ALT attribute to specify the alternative text. So in ALT equal to e-learning image. So this is 2 mark question. So this is a mark deviation, half mark for correct name of tag, half mark for then image, that correct syntax of image, then half mark for using the correct use of src attribute, then the remaining half mark means correct use of ALT attribute. This is the mark division. So the next question, question number 21. Shalini, a web designer, wants to create a web page to display a list where each item is listed by a number. Which type of list she should use? Explain the role of start and type attribute. So here 3 mark question. This is 3 mark question. So listen that here, display a list where each item is listed by number. So we already study there are ordered list and unordered list. So here if you want to display each item by number, you can use ordered list. What is ordered list? Nothing but OL. So that's first answer is ordered list. So then again remaining one question is remaining, which type of explain the role of start and type attribute. So you already studied that there are 2 attributes are there, start and type. So what's the use of start attribute? Start attribute is used to specify from which number that list is should be start, and the type attribute contains the values like if you are putting type is equal to capital A, then the list is start with the capital A, capital B, capital C. If the type is equal to small letter a, then each element is start by A, B, C, small letter. Then if type is equal to capital I, it should be displayed as capital Roman letter. If type is equal to small I, then the listed are like small letter Roman number. So here look at that here, role of start attribute to specify the start value of ordered list. Type attribute to specify the type of list item marker. Marker is nothing but here A, B, C, the or that Roman letters. So here you can write, this is 3 mark question, you can write one simple example. So then next question, question number 22. What are the roles of a row span and column span attribute? Explain with a suitable example. So we already study row span and column span. So row span is used to combine the rows. What is row span? The row span is used to combine the rows. Then column span is used to combine the columns. So answer is like that here. It is given here. Row span is combine the cell vertically. Column span combine the cell horizontally. So example, you can write any example. We already studied too many examples for row span and column span. So you can simply write any one of the example. So here This is the example given by CBSE. So you can write this example or you can write yourself. So next question. Saroj, a student of class 10, wants to represent a table in a web page, but she is unaware about the table tag. Explain her the role of th, tr, td tag. Write the HTML code of a table and show the use of th, tr and td tag. 3-mark question. So first you need to write tr, th, td. So tr means table row. It defines table row. Th means it defines table header. Td means it defines table data. So then write a simple HTML program. So from the table, so you can write start from the HTML or then head body. So inside the body you can write a table, then write it first row, then you can specify 3 header, roll number, name and stream. Then you can specify next row, then td. This is simple example. You can write any simple example by using th, td, tr. Simple example, right? Then next question. So what is a hyperlink? What is a hyperlink? So then next question, give the name and the syntax of a HTML tag which is used to create a hypertext link. Hypertext link means what? So we are using a tag, anchor tag is used to create a hypertext link. So then the answer is here. The hyperlink allows us to link HTML elements to another document or a new section within the current document. So you already studied there are 2 types of hyperlinks are there. Internal linking and external linking. So internal linking means linking the same section of a same page. Different section of a same page. External linking means we can move from one page to another page. So that is using hyperlink allows us to link HTML elements to another document or new section within the current document. So then second question is what? Which tag is used to create hyperlink? So answer is anchor tag. So means we already study a tag, ahref equal to, then here you need to specify the to which address you need to move, like p1.html, p2.html, etc. Then here the hypertext link, here you need to specify any text like this, click here or front, back, move, like that. So this is a for creating a link. So what is the third question? Third question here. Neha want to display a click here message on her web page, which when clicked open a new web page chapter 2.html. Write the syntax of HTML command she should use. Simple question only. So here it is clearly written that there is in a page there is one link is there. So link name is click here. So when we click that link, it should be moved to another page. Page name is chapter 2.html. Simple question only. So how to create this? So you can create this simply by using here ahref equal to chapter 2.html. Then here you can put here click here. Then close this a tag. So then it make a link. So if you click here, it is moved to chapter 2.html. Simple question. Then question number D. Let's look at that. On the same page, Neha, whose email is neha@xyz.com, want to display a contact us message which when clicked open the mail program and allows the user to send a mail to Neha. Write the syntax of HTML command she should use. So we already studied mail to linking. What is the use of mail to linking? So mail to linking means if you click that link, it is automatically open a Gmail window. Then we can send a mail to that a particular user. So it is clearly given that Neha's email ID is neha@xyz.com. Then the message is contact us. If you click on this contact us, the neha@gmail.com, it is automatically open. Then we need to send a mail also. So how to write means you can using what? You can use mail to linking. So mail to linking, how to use the mail to linking? This is the syntax. So look at that here. ahref equal to mail to. This is the syntax. We already studied this. mail to. Then after that you can put the Neha's mail ID. Neha's mail ID is already given in the question. What is Neha's mail ID? Neha's mail ID is given here. Wait 1 minute. So Neha's mail ID is neha@xyz.com. This is Neha's mail ID. Then contact us. If you click on this contact us, if you click on this contact us, if you click on this contact us, it is automatically open neha@xyz.com. Then we can send a message. So this is the question. So yesterday means last working day I give these questions to solve. So here I already give that answer also here. So then this section we also want to study another question here. Look at that. So look at that. The question is that it is given a picture. This is nothing but a web page. So here heading is our country India. Then one India map is here. Then in red color it is written one paragraph. India is spread over the large geographical area. In terms of area, it is the seventh largest country, while in terms of population, it is the second largest country in the world. Like that, some paragraph. So then this is unordered list is also given. Area, then north to south extension, then east to west extension. This is all list. So this area is nothing but a list only. So here it contains one heading, then one image, then one paragraph tag, then list. So then question is what? Write the HTML code to design the above page. So then consider the specification as given below. So here question is like that here. Background color of the page should be yellow. Heading become our country. It should be the first level of heading, which means that this should be H1. So this should be H1. Next one, the image named India.jpg should be placed at the center. So the image should be in the center of the page. Then formatting style of paragraph tag. So P tag. So this is P tag. What is a style for P tag? Font size 5, font name Times New Roman, color red. Then subscript and superscript tags should be used whenever required. So here look at that. While reading this paragraph, you can see that this is seventh largest country. So this is superscript seventh, and second also superscript. So here whenever we get that superscript and subscript, we can use that. Then the facts should be written with the help of unordered list. The facts is nothing but this area. Look at that, this mouse. This area is a unordered list. So we can write the corresponding HTML code. So here how to write the HTML code, I will give the answer. So first HTML, start with HTML. So question is clearly written that in the BG color means body background color should be yellow. So in this question you cannot use any type of CSS because the question it is given that you can use HTML code only. So no need of any CSS code. So then if you want the question, next question, it is clearly that the image should be in the center of the page. So we already study one center here, center tag. So here first write the center tag, then write the our country, that is heading, that should be the first level of heading. So should be, it is between H1 and closing H1, then only it become the first level of heading. Next one, in between the center and center you insert the image. So that is the image src is equal to india.jpg. Then we can start the paragraph. So paragraph, for the paragraph already given that the color should be red and the size is equal to 5. Then font type is equal to what? Times New Roman. So here the font tag is used to specify that. So font containing color, size and face attribute. So color should be red, size is equal to 5. Face means what is the font style, that is should be Times New Roman. Then you can write that paragraph, then close the first font tag, then P tag. So that area completed. Then last here in the question, last you need to create what? Here look at that, here you need to create one unordered list with the 3 list items. So for that you need to write the code unordered list li, then you will close, then body and HTML close. So here look at that in the P tag. So when you are find that subscript and superscript, you need to write the 7th and 2nd. So you should apply the subscript and superscript like this. So this is 5 mark question. So this is type of 5 mark questions are available in your question paper. So this is the explanation for this question paper. Hope you all are understand. So here, then watch this video and write the correct answer and send the note. Okay, send the note to my number, not in the group, personally only to my number. So you can write this question answer in the back side of fair notebook. You can make the heading like this: class 10 computer application sample question paper. So all the question and answer I discussed here. If you have any doubt, you can send a message personally, and you can make the note. Note means complete all the question answer and send the screenshot or send the image of your book personally via WhatsApp. So this is only today's class. Hope you all are understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask anytime. Okay, thank you.